All right, boys and girls, today we're going to use tens and ones to help us solve these problems. So we're going to draw the math problem using tens and ones, and this is going to help us later when we have to exchange some ones for a 10. So the first one was done for us. It's 15 plus 3 is 18. The second one has been done also. How many are there? 15 plus 5 is 20, and we're going to write that 20 is 2 tens and 0 ones. Okay? On the next problem, we have 15 plus 6. So let's draw 15 plus 6. So if we were to combine these two, we have another 10 right here. So those make a 10. So 2 tens and 1 1. What is that number? 2 tens and, 2 tens and 1 1. What number is that? 21. Good. On this next problem, we're going to do 28 and then 2. So here's 28 plus 2 more. So that actually is a 10, friend. So we can circle all these together. And that's 3 tens, and there's nothing left over. So what's the number? The number is 30. Good. Okay. Let's try 28 plus 4. 20, and then we're going to draw 8 plus 4. So now I need 2 more red ones to go with the blues to make a 10. So now I have 3 tens and 2 ones, which equals what? 32. Good. The next one looks a little hard. We have 28 plus 7. So let's do 2 tens for 20, and then we're going to draw 8 ones, and then we're going to do 7 ones. Now let's see, how many red ones do I need to take over to make enough blue for a 10? I need 2 extra. So I'm going to circle all these blue ones and then 2, and that makes an extra 10. And then how many reds are left? Good, so I have 3 tens and 5 ones. So the number is 35. Excellent. Okay, we have 2 more. 17 plus 3, we don't really need to draw for because that's a 10, friend. So the answer is 20, 2 tens and 0 ones. And then 17 plus 7, we can draw. We're going to do 1 10 and 7 ones, and then 7 more ones. Okay, how many red ones do I need to move to the blue side? 3. That makes an extra 10, so we have 2 tens, 5 ones left over. My answer is 25. Okay, rocket math on the back, just plus 1s and plus 2s, no problem. When you're finished, turn it into your teacher.